Hi, it's Neil here. Welcome to another episode of Desk Setup for Beginners.
There's more to ergonomic setup than just owning a good chair. If you're having a hard, painful time working on your standard office chair, you may want to learn more about how to utilize your chair properly. In this episode of Desk Setup for Beginners, we will focus on the best positioning for an ergonomic office chair. Here are 5 tips to adjust your chair and improve your posture. Let's begin. The first thing I want to talk about is sitting posture. Most people say that you need to adjust the chair height so that your feet are flat on the ground and your legs are bent at 90 degrees. This is not quite right because the height of your chair depends on the height of the keyboard and the mouse on the desk. If your keyboard and mouse are placed too low or too high and you have to reach for them, your neck and shoulders will get pain from long hours in this position. The proper posture should be your arm bent at 90 degrees with the desk and your shoulders need to relax. After that, if your chair is too high for your legs to be flat on the ground, you can use a footrest to support your legs. The second tip is don't sit up straight without support. Starting with professional and ergonomic posture is good. However, after a long period, your body will naturally relapse to the wrong posture and it's gonna hurt your back and neck. You can adjust the backrest of the chair to recline position to support your back for more comfort. Or maybe just a little recline can make a huge difference. The third tip is you shouldn't sit in only one posture for a long time. Every once in a while, you need to change your position and it shouldn't take much effort. For example, I'm starting with this, then I can easily change to this, or maybe I can have a break by walking around my room. Try to change your position as frequently as possible to make your body comfortable and also to avoid soreness in your muscles. The fourth tip is to adjust the armrest to the same height as the desk if you can. Like I said on the first tip, your arm should be bent at 90 degrees and the shoulders need to relax. In order to be in this position, you need to sit close to the desk and place your arm on it. But this means that you won't have space to move your body, so the armrest will act as an extra space for you to place your arm correctly, while still having enough space to move easily and change posture. And the fifth tip is to use the lumbar for your lower back to avoid back pain and hunchback. Nowadays, most ergonomic chairs and office chairs have lumbar support for lower back to help you sit properly. All you need to do is adjust the lumbar to a position that is suitable for your lower back. For the chairs that don't have lumbar support, you can buy an extra one or use a small pillow. The function of the lumbar is to support or push your lower back to a straight posture. Without it, your back's going to suffer when you sit incorrectly, and over time, you may get hunchback. Overall, those are 5 quick tips to improve your sitting posture when using an ergonomic chair. What's also important is to find yourself a chair that suits your need in the first place. If you're looking for one of our ergonomic chairs, don't hesitate to take advantage of our Black Friday deals for chairs this week. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other problems with your setup. Please like and subscribe to Autonomous for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.